They don't wanna stop, girl. Wala, nag-stop din yung stoplight. Lala. Ayun. Ayun, tumakbo. Ganda, bro. Feels like I'm in China. Parang China na. Okay. Sakto pala. Sakto. Oh, Year of the Horse pala ngayon. Gusto ko rin ng sugarcane. Pero may ganito na ako, so... Ano? Guys, let's go! Open ba siya? Oh my gosh, pwede ba tong drinks ko? Oh my lord. Bak? Iwan na lang natin. Oh God, that's nice. Yeah, meron ako. Apo. Can you rent the hats? Or like hats yan na mga pumasok sa loob? I don't know. Parang may tinig inside. I don't know, but it's masakit. Uy, kukuha ng passport. Wow! Dang! Nila guys. Ang cute! May mga bahay. Cutie! Ay. What? Doctrina Christiana. Na naka-Chinese. Pumutay na yung book. See, it's 19th century name on the map. Okay. Let's do Thomas Pint. Girl, is that... Oh! Ayun! Oh! Ang galing! Let's do Santa Elena. What? That's nice. Let's do Jose Abad Santos. Yeah, hindi raw siya nagana. May ganito. Masangkay Street. Which is yung kanina namin dinaanan. Cool stuff! Cool stuff, guys. Gatungan. Kala ko arenola. Stolen. No face, no case. Look at that. Ano? Isa pala. Ano ito ba yun? Around here? Sige, tara. Lahan mo eh. Guys, can you see me?
Yeah. For men, it's called barong.
Really?
For women, it's called
Can you imagine? Ang ganyan-ganyan.
So, for example, my sister got married, so I wore it. Yes, coffee sleeves to make it more regal. Very good. The elites wear them before. Look at her. This photo is a... Yeah, this is the real pineapple here.
Oh wow.
That's very expensive. They come from Elite. Sorry, I didn't cover.
I know.
Okay. Yes.
Oh my God, we can rent costumes, bro.
I tour a lot in the Philippine Islands.
Do you wanna do costumes?
Del Monte is like
I love you.
there's 8 meters of pineapple.
Kiss me. May pagulong po. Yes, I want to talk to you.
I got a
I
lot
like
of
it.
videos because I was.
What if nainitan lang ako?
They make pineapple ice cream.
Oh, there's so many Filipinos in there.
Yeah.
Wala, ang cute. May mga mini Filipinos.
Yeah, and they have a pineapple plantation over there. So that's a pineapple plantation.
Nandyan na yung lola ni ano ate.
This is
Oh, I can rent, bro! What's...
and
Ito na.
then
Ay,
oh, that's made. And historical percussion.
ba't ganito? Ayan yung binibigay nila. Anong laman yun?
Yeah, may kasal, jewelry.
Nakaganyan yung case. Guys, let's suot this.
That's it, maybe now.
Oh, yes.
Pero return.
That's funny. Oh my God, ang gundo. It's giving so sublime.
Ayun pala. Biran kasi. Gusto ko yung red. Bagay sa kadres.
Well, yes. Kaso parang ang hassle niya ang gawin. Hindi tayo marunong. Pero kapag may tour guide, maganda yan.
Imagine mo yung everyday ka na yung suot na.
Yeah, I
Oo
did.
nga.
I don't think I can.
It's
For
misty
you.
over there, it's cold, the restaurants
Oh, what's
are
this?
big. And then the weather over there is like that, a lot of pine trees.
Picture mo yan. Mas mo. Uy, yan yung nagpahirap sa
Wala, ang
bagay
galing.
niya.
Oo.
The longest zip
Mga
line.
device.
I did it, longest zip line in Asia.
Dasala.
And then there's strawberries, there's mint, a lot. By the way, panaderia. Yeah. So
Thank you.
it's a soft bun. So it's a soft bun.
Wala man nakalagay na
Chicken and veggies.
do not touch. So,
This one is popular.
oo nga, pwede.
So if you come here,
1v1 guys.
the people outside Manila, they expect you to bring home.
Pwede ata kasi wala siya nakalagay na logo na do not touch.
Yeah. This is around 50 pastry.
Totoo.
And if you bite on it, it's soft and chewy.
Okay guys,
We'll
that's
pass
the
by.
bag. That's the bag, bro.
I will tell you.
How to set...
We'll pass by a lot of these.
Pwede nga ata.
That's how we are Filipino. Yeah. You tried it?
Oo.
So, now, we eat this every day, especially the people here in Manila.
Here's the real sungka right there.
Yeah, so a lot of people can do a little test for you. Excuse me, pandesal means before. In the Philippines, pandesal is one word, especially you know pandesal, right? Pandesal, it means bread of salt. We did. A lot of Filipinos doesn't know it, so if you pass by around a lot of bakeries over there, pandesal is just one word because we don't know what it means.
Oh my gosh, hinali out sa tour. Sabi, alam ko ba raw yung pandesal? Bro, I don't. Now I look like I am not a Filipino. Wala, ang ganda niya. Galing niya mag-paint. Sobrang tandaan yan. Quang, quang. Meron pa ba?
Alam ko meron pa.
Quang, quang, quang.
But it's hindi na pinapahawak kasi
Fragile. Hala, pwede pala mag-ano dito. Oh, hindi ma-picture. Hindi ah. El Nacionalista. La La Land lang. La La Land. For the Philippine Revolution.
kaya we don't know stuff.
For real. Next time, pag tinanong ako, alam ko na. Ang ganda naman dito. Dried chili. Chili sauce.
Have you seen
Ayun no, yung do not touch nasa.
Yakapin.
Sino?
Manunggay niya. Masarap. Very
Do not open the vials and bottles. Okay.
fermented na yan ang spray.
OMG, this is so Sabrina Carpenter, bro. Sabrina Carpenter, you are.
Don't touch nga. Touch ka lang.
Hindi ko nga tinuloy eh.
Dahil may hindi ko pa natatry yung sampaguta tea.
Oh, hello, may tao. So scary. Kain na. Looks like Imelda Marcos or something.
So that's the
Check writer.
transportation that we use.
Reminisce. Escolta shops. I love you, Escolta. Oh, they have the clock.
Does this look like Philippines to you? Yeah. Yeah.
Note,
this
Hughes
doesn't look like Philippines, right? But this
1105.
is where we are today. This doesn't look like Philippines, but this is Binondo or this is Chinatown.
Oh, may ganda na pala
This is
dati.
literally like
Coffee grinder.
Pero hindi ko kasi alam kung paano siya.
Why?
Sobrang ano nyo, American shit.
Americans have to invest.
Old American font.
China, they have to invest in Binondo before.
Dang.
That's what it
Can we
looks
see the
like.
inside?
The first three banks in the Philippines was established here.
Ginaganon lang siya.
The first lyrical theater where Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs was first shown
Yeah.
was established here. The first
Ayun, yung mga stamp. Ah, para isang ano lang. Yay!
Kasi nag-ano, kumpul-kumpul. Pag maraming tao, may pila.
So, sa simula.
Let's do.
Ber.
Ay! Ayun na, meron.
Wala, kinalat pa.
Nagkalat siya, nagkalat siya.
May alcohol ako.
Hindi nga din. Doon lang.
Wala, ba't wala? Mga pangit yung stamp nila.
Ayaw. Wait na. Kamayin mo na lang. Draw.
Ito.
Dapat pag nagkikita tayo, magdadala tayo sa green stamp.
Ito nakasara oh. Ba, mas maganda yan. Ate, ano?
Baliktad ako. Sige mo alcohol para meron. Ganun yun. Go. Pag yan wala.
Moment of truth.
Dito wala.
Wait, it's not in the right box.
Pagpas naman sa... Kuan mo kaya?
Bro. Oh my gosh. It's another map. Oh.
Skip. Try na. Ano yan?
We are here, guys. I don't know where this is, but yeah, yeah. Wait, I'm gonna give you first person. Wala. Yeah. Wait. No. No. Okay. No. Hindi siya so. Looking good, bro. We look good together. Ano? Lost thread na yung ano ko. Oh my god.
Ano yung phone?
Ano?
Bagay fit mo dun sa color.
Oo nga. Finally, there's something from...
Pasig River.
Mag-boat ride tayo. Sa Pasig River. Hindi naman daw mabaho. Well, sabi sa TikTok.
Hindi mo pa rin sure malay mo. Sanay
Yeah.
sila sa ano.
That's the ad. Para lang may sumakay. OMG, what is this? It's giving yung ano, yung commercial ng ano, yung chinelas daw. Alam niyo yun? Alam niyo ano, Alec yun. Yung napakita nila na, oo. Na hindi sleeper yung sleepers nila.
PCC. Oh. Chinese high school pala siya. Cultural.
Chinese high school.
We didn't know.
Dang. PCC. Okay, now what is this? Ba't may ganito? Oh. Damn, the first aid. Para saan to ulit?
Gas mask.
Wala yung event na kailangan ng ganyan.
Papalitan niya lang ito.
NN.
Tsaka yung filter.
Baya bawal hawakan. I wanna see kung gano'ng kabigat.
Fake lang naman siya.
Replica.
Plastic can. Pero feel ko mabigat yung ano,
Yeah.
OG.
OG. Okay. Big deal pala sa kanila to. The Firemen of Binondo. $12. Guys, we're out. Bye-bye. We are out of Binondo City. Okay, tara na. Yan.
Say hi. Hey guys. Hello. How do you... Can you turn this? Para malinis sa... Hindi mo siya. Oh. Okay. Take over. Take over. Tayo muna mag-vlog. Ay, yung bago ng... Hello. Bagay.
Okay na. I'm so
Bagay
tired
sa
of
akin mag... Ano, vlog.
Ay, this is your father.
Bro, hindi mo pa rin grandpa.
Ay.
Ay, wala. Oh. Ba't ganun siya, Ja? Hi, guys. Ja, it's... Why is it?
Pindutin mo yung ano, screen. Nag-slip na siya to save the battery.
Ah. Hi. Wala, bagay sa akin mag-vlog.
Yeah.
Mauubudol ako.
Invest sa DJI.
Vlog.
Kasi na ano.
Go-vlog tayo. Nag-vlog ka sa loob.
Yeah.
Okay. May
So,
nakikita
yun,
ano
ano na pwede pa. Mas maganda yung picture dito.
Hana, picturean kita.
Another off.
Ayun. Ba't sinama mo sa vlog yung mga foreign? like,
Hello po, say hi to my- and subscribe to my YouTube.
post museum, lesson. What's the meaning of pandesal? Ano daw ulit yan?
Hindi ko nga na-clip yung ano, tinanong nila ako.
Sayang.
Kasi pinost ko kasi ako lang pinapagalitan ako. Sabi, Pilipino ka ba? Oh my God.
Grabe
I
naman
thought
kasi
I'm
yung
cook.
pagtanong. Like, pwede naman, what if ano siya? Kala ko nga papagalitan ka eh. Kasi
Okay.
diba nakikisama ka doon eh.
Nagpapagalitan din ako.
Kala ko pagbabayaran ka. Imagine pag pinagbayad pa. Tapos 1K yung
Siguro
ano.
nun, oo.
Kasi group yun eh. Pero feel ko yung, okay siya na tour guide. Ay, nang judge ng tour. Okay siya.
May
pero,
review pa na to.
pero may times
Ano
kasi
ba
na
mo?
ano.
Yan.
May times kasi na super aggressive niya. So
Yeah.
parang nahihiya magtanong ng iba. Kasi if ganun tour guide ko, mahihiya akong mag-ask.
May review pa ng tour guide.
Ganun talaga.
Na hindi naman natin tour guide.
Nakisali lang tayo dun. So, what if no, nag-tour guide tayo? Mga time pa ka, Pilipino na tayo, hindi pa tayo
Nag-ano pa tayo? Natagal na.
tingin tayo sa PKB.
Irasa